The princess wants to go to a party today. The princess plans to wear a knee-length dress. Has striking light tones. Let's design a dress for the princess. I'll use bright yellow to color this dress to make the princess stand out. Wow, I finished this beautiful dress. Why is the wind so strong? The princess's dress was blown away by the wind. What to do? I have to design a new dress for the princess. Which shirt do you like? Pink. I'll color this shirt pink. Oh, so pretty. The king is good with the princess. Next I need to design the pants. And then color these cute pants. Sea blue is very beautiful and striking. Let's wear it for the princess now. Very fit and beautiful. But it's not suitable for Cho to go to the party. I need to design another one. Now, I will design a simple and beautiful dress. Green is also very unique and different. So I'll paint it green. Let's change the dress for the princess. Wow, very beautiful. Let the princess go to the party. But the princess needs a proper pair of shoes. I will choose a pair of shoes for the princess. How about traditional black? But that doesn't seem to match the princess's hair color. I need to design other shoes. I'll color it brown to match the color of my hair. Now go and try it. Wow, very suitable and beautiful.
Wow!
The princess is missing a bag. Let's design a bag for the princess. I will choose brown to match the princess's hair and shoes. Put it on for the princess. It is very pretty. Put one more flower.
Yes!
It's done. Our princess is going to the party now. Surely the princess will stand out at the party today.